Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is giveaway day. I am entering Lock Hak's Picking for Good 2021 giveaway fundraiser. Hashtag it Picking for Good 2021. Now the best way I can describe this giveaway is to show it to you. There's 3 components to it, 3 ways you can enter. One of the ways is by this way, doing a shout out for the giveaway fundraiser, letting as many people know about it as you can. Another way is to donate to the National Pediatric Cancer Foundation, NPCF. There is a fundraiser site that you go to, leave your username in the donation message and follow the rules in the description and follow what they tell you to do. That's a dead easy. I've been to the site, had a look at it. It's really easy to navigate. The next way is to make a cash or food donation to a food bank of your choice. Now, I won this giveaway last year, and that's what I got Lock Hak to do. Lock Hak donated to a food bank that supported people with pets that couldn't afford to buy food for them. So I was able to help get some animals fed, and that felt really good. So that's another way you can do it. And the third way, of course, is what we're doing right now, is doing a shout out. You need to link it back to the giveaway and link it to the fundraiser site using the hashtag Picking for Good 2021. It's that easy to enter this giveaway. Now, because Lock Hak has already reached their target amount, they have added extra goodies into the giveaway. So continuing to add to the donation pool, we'll get more goodies added to the giveaway, which is pretty cool. It's as easy as that to enter. So support Lock Hak in Picking for Good, getting the Lock Sport community to reach out to other communities and lend a hand. It's that easy to do. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Support Lock Hak in the Picking for Good 2021 giveaway fundraiser. All the links will be in the description below. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.